Killer barbecue with this smoked brisket sandwich. It's called Friends to the Burnt End. And it has this little so kill.
Yeah, I like that little touch.
The fries already are a win because they're crinkle cut.
Give it a go.
I wish the meat had a little bit more sauce on it. Just a little bit. But the meat is really good. It falls off. Falls together. And their pickle is definitely a dill pickle. It is good. I don't know if I love it. I'd probably give it like a... I give it a 6.5.
After further review, I realized that these briskets come in like little square chunks, which I kind of don't like. I wish they were kind of like chopped up briskets a little bit more, so then you could just eat it more. Because with the cubes, they kept falling off a little bit, rather than having like a bunch of meat inside the sandwich. So yeah, that's why I rated it an 8 out of 10. But I wish they would have done that with the brisket, or else, you know, it would have tasted better. You would have had the meat inside the burger a little bit longer. How's it so far? Not so bad.
Nobody's out yet. That's why. Like even just walking past that thing, my heart started to beat. I was like, ugh.
It's not gonna be so bad, hopefully.
Oh, I don't know.
First timer, so let's see how it goes.
I'm unwell.
How do you feel about going in your first maze?
I am not well. I kind of want to throw up.
I'm excited.
More than I do this part.
I love to be scared. Ooh.
I don't. We walked past like a little like area that's not even a scare zone yet. It's like just like something that they have on display, and my heart dropped, and like I wanted to throw up. And that's nothing even moved, nothing even jumped out at me. Like that's how like unwell I am. Right?
You'll be fine. I hope you'll be fine.
What did the mermaid wear to her math class?
Please don't.
An algae bra. Get it? Algae bra?
Let's get going.
And they're real. That's crazy. The front, or you want me to be in the front?
Ugh, this place stinks.
I got him! Get out of here! Go! Don't stop! Keep running!
Are you kidding me? Outside, guys.
Look at that.
Are you kidding me?
What do you think of that one?
I had my eyes open like this wide the entire fucking time.
It wasn't that bad,
And
see?
then they would go, and I would run after them.
Yeah. I thought it was fucking great.
Oh, God.
After playing the game and then watching it, it was
Watching
perfect.
it all take
It was
place.
perfect.
It was good. My eyes were like this most of the time.
Yeah.
I probably fucking blew out her eardrum. I was screaming so much. And I'm so tense like this. How did they know I was scared of birds? That turkey tried to grab me. Literally tried to grab me.
So the sun is finally coming down. So now we're probably gonna see way more crazy stuff. I'm excited about it. More characters, and maybe we'll go through a scare zone. I'm ready.
What have you done? Take a seat, Archie. Stop. Who are you going? Don't be scared.
I said stay away!
Stop.
I like that one. That one was a good one. I love Stranger Things.
I got a couple good. They got me a good.
They
good
got
couple
me
times.
once. They scared me once. So that was good. I like it. If they can scare me, then it's definitely a good one.
My mouth is dry from screaming so much. I think the one that I really don't want to go in is The Exorcist.
Are you a believer of The Exorcist?
No,
I'm a believer.
I'm not.
Ben Affleck, everybody. Ben Affleck.
There are many dark forces in this world.
Okay, I don't like
The
it.
one
Go.
that every
Wait! This way? I'm lost! I think I went the wrong way! What the fuck?
much.
I know, they scared me.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That was good. And you didn't want to do that one, see?
Fuck no, I didn't see anything.
Time out, everybody. Time to get a drink. Okay, we're here at the Stellar Bar, and we wanted to get the Hellfire pop, but they were all sold out. So we decided to just go for the pizza bites.
It's kind of like a cheese bread. Kind of.
It almost looks like just sauce from what it looks like.
Good. Give it an 8 out of 10.
Here we go. I'm gonna get like the little saucy part. Get the real sauce. It's like a flaky bread.
It is.
And you're right. I actually do enjoy it. For a little small size, it could have been bigger, but you know what? The taste is there.
Yeah.
So I would definitely give it like an 8.5 out of 10.
Hi, I'm Larry Larva. Did you know 90% of all life forms on this planet are insects? We outnumber humans 1 billion to 1. 1 billion to 1. Humans don't stand a chance.
Okay. Guys, I'm sorry to have to dump you and fly, but this is as far as we can take you. You're gonna have to get off the tram now. Get off my tram and walk. No, crawl. Crawl the rest of the way. Yeah. Good luck. Shoot.
Humans are a pest.
Let's go see Larry Larva. Fuck! It scared me! And I knew he was gonna do that!
When you see the rating I'm gonna give this place, 0 stars, my friend, 0! This is outrageous, and I want to take you over. You hear me?
See you, Chuck. There he is. There's Larry. He's back.
You never get used to that smell.
I'm literally being killed by a giant bug! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!
Oh my god! Oh. You got up in your face!
I know! You said you can't pass.
It's like, you! Look at you! That was sick. That was a good one. I didn't even know that was considered really a maze, but that was good.
I guess you gotta walk through.
Yeah. Oh, that was so far. I think my favorite one is the studio tour. Out of all of them.
Because I could see them. It's the one
Yeah,
that I can't see.
it's when they pop out at you. Oh!
Why the chainsaw?
And we never got to go onto this on a regular tour. What the heck?
He's warning you. He's like, don't go there. Don't do it. He's so cute. Oh.
Dude, this is sick. We get to walk through
Walk
here.
on it?
Yeah, like actually walk on it.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, what happened?
The lights went out.
Damn it.
Not the porta potty. Okay, we're going the right way.
Okay, is that
I
it?
can do that. I can do that. I can't do
Don't lie to the camera.
mazes. It's like the dark mazes.
So cool. We're the only ones and we're going up the stairs. Literally follow me to my door.
It's easy. You come from very near.
Sorry about that. Those matches can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Feeling water.
Water right after that ride, huh? Kinda got dizzy. But they give you like a special.
Literally, like 10 seconds in, I was closing my eyes because I felt like I was gonna throw up.
Let me see the water. It's like a Harry Potter water. The front. Gilly water. $6.
$6, but
Necessary.
yeah,
Like how they direct you to the mazes.
yeah.
That's pretty cool of them. I love all the projections too.
Notre Dame. Its early spires. Continues his forbidden experiments. Your screams will be a silent.
Oh my god! I got sprayed in the face!
Nice.
I was too busy looking at the girl trying to help her. He said, nope.
Especially when it's Chucky by killer. I'm like the MVP of serial murder. I'm good at strangling, stabbing, electrocuting, clobbering, slashing. Did you know that those holes at Universal Studios don't actually kill anyone at their event?
Really?
What the? Let's check it. Starting to get really chucked up.
Okay, now to the show. Don't bother me.
Oh my lord. Oh, it works. Oh shit! Motherfucker.
Okay, this is it. Okay.
It's not revenge, Phil. It's justice. Let him obsess! No!
Megan? No!
Dude, that's Aren't you glad we watched Megan?
Watched her dance
That was awesome.
with her little knife.
Yes. Loved it. Great show. A little short, but fucking loved it.
It was.
It was like, because we wanted to watch more.
I know.
But it was great. Okay.
In the Minion corner.
In the Minions corner, away from the chainsaws, we've got the Horror Nights patches that we decided to purchase. A total of $15, but worth the patches. We want to put them on. The Halloween Horror Nights 2023 mug. Very cool. Okay, Horror Nights 2023. What do you think?
It was good.
It was awesome. I had a great
I
time.
had fun because he had fun. Did I actually have fun?
Absolutely, she had fun. What was your favorite part?
I like the monsters unmasked maze. That was my favorite.
Maze.
Yeah.
Mine was studio tour.
The
Studio tour was awesome.
Larry the Larva.
Larry the Larva, he's my homie. But yeah, so good time. Highly recommend getting the express if you can, because it was so worth skipping all the lines.
So we're leaving at 11:22. We got here at 5:30, and it doesn't close until 2.
So if you don't get that
we
express pass, you're not gonna finish it all.
We did 6 of 8 mazes.
Yeah,
We did all the shows.
all the shows.
and
The
we
Megan
even
one
ate
was
some
sick.
of the food. So
The
I feel
Megan,
like we
the
did-
Megan show was short, but it was really
I
good.
wanted it to keep going, but it was so good.
Very pleasing.
And I only got sprayed in the face once by water. So
I say that's a win. Halloween Horror Nights 2023.
it was good.
So,
Fun had by all.
yeah. So, all right. Well, we'll see you.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.